Mm? Parsley, green onion, garlic, and ghost pepper, which is from habanero family. I'll soon bring it on, my people. Just give me a minute. I just want to put a nice run in the pot and then okay, one more and then I'll show you what's going on in the pot. Right, look at that, babe. Alright, now, I'm gonna rinse out my hand. The oil is gone now. So, let's go re-oil. Alright, people, 1 minute. Look at that. Alright, that's coming good. Alright, my people, let me show you what I'm going into the pot. Look at it, babes. That is it. And now we get my stir stick. So, yeah, my people, my meatball. I'm gonna turn them. Nice. Look at that, people. Yeah, man. That's it. Bring this bad boy up and make them set up. You can drop a couple more in it too. Alright, my people. Let's throw a couple more in it now. Things that make more space, right? That's my jerk chicken meatball.